Welcome to Ray Film Brand Videos. Today we're creating a very simple promo video and we're going to be prepping a scene, but I want you guys to see the work that even a simple scene requires.
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take some pictures of the product to include in the video. I promise I'll make you look good.
So the next step is to declutter the scene. Then we want to add some props and the product. Then we frame the talent and adjust the props and the product we're promoting.
So the scene is almost ready, the setup is how we want it, but the one in the back is just too plain. It's almost like just a hamburger without ketchup and mustard, or just like a piece of steak without rice and plantain. You gotta add something. You gotta spice it up and make it more interesting. So in this case, this steak is missing its rice. I found the rice. Okay, so we have the framing and the scene how we want it. The next step is to light it. So we're gonna start by adding a backlight to create some separation between the talent and the background and to add some mood in the shot as well. Then we're gonna add some frontal, soft beauty lighting to the talent.
Hi everyone, my name is Claudia and I'm so excited to show you the product I just received in the mail. It's a hair care product from Carol's Daughters. It's a cream serum moisturizer that helps prevent frizz and serves as a detangler. Blended with aloe and glycerin, this formula brings together the power of a cream serum and intense hydration. Apply thoroughly to wet, damp, and dry hair, gently working into your hair. The product smells amazing, definitely worth a try.
So that's a quick rundown of a simple promo video. Thanks for watching.